Bonjour guys, welcome to the very first episode of Cooking with Pornthegore. This summer we play on two festivals in Bavaria, that's why we cook something traditional. It's about Weizvurußt. For those people who do not know where Bavaria is, it's a very small village in France. You can see it here on this little map where it is. We start here from Busa, Romania, and then we go right through whole Europe to go there to this small village. This Weizvurußt we do not have here in Romania, that's why I asked a friend from Bavaria, he sent me a package. Let's do some unboxing. Let's see what we have inside here. Yeah. So first thing is we have here this Weizvurußt. My friend told me that it is very important to be very fresh. So I think it took like 5 days to come here to Romania. So in Romania we would say this is fresh. And in addition, the meat should be very good. Let's have a look what it is. I think this is perfect. So what else we have? We need to have this right mustard. Here is this Dijon mustard. Very good in combination with Weizvurußt. And I don't know what this is. It is hard like a stone. I don't need this thing. Let's throw it away.
I bought a very good traditional bread for this one. I have here a baguette. This is perfectly fine with Weizvurußt.
First, we need to cut this Weizvurußt like this. We make here some stripes in it. Oh yes. It has to look like this. In the next step, we take the sausage and put it into some milk. It is very important that the milk comes inside the wurst. Then you leave it like this for half an hour. For the next step, we need a pan and some oil. Then we put these sausages inside here. Oh yeah. They should look like this when they are ready. Let's put them on the plate. So we need some mustard, the good one, and some good bread. That's it. So let's eat. Normally you eat it with cutlery, and you do it like this. You add some mustard, and then you very good. The best thing of the sausage is the skin. I love it. Also with some good bread. Very good. Cheers. See you at Ranger Rock and Bavarian Betal.